The warp tool allows you to distort the perspective of an object to make it look like it's either laying on the ground or going back off into the distance, say like a door opening. But to use it, you must have an object on the screen. You can see right now it's grayed out. So I'm going to go open the library. I'm going to bring up a circle here. And let's size it down a bit because it's a little big. And now I want to lay this circle down on the driveway. So now we could go up here to the warp tool. The warp tool has three settings: free, horizontal, and vertical. And they work just like the pattern library menu. But if you don't know how that works yet, when you have free selected, it means each handle is independent. I can move this one without moving the one next to it or affecting any one of the other handles. And you could simply use it this way. It's just a few more moves. Let's reset that. A faster way to put this circle kit on the driveway is click on horizontal, and when I move the upper left, you'll see the upper right goes with it. Same with the bottom. When I move the bottom left, the bottom right goes with it. So it's much faster to manipulate something like this using horizontal. So think of horizontal goes down on the ground. If you're going to be doing vertical, that's more for like a fence or door or window, something like that. So that's all there is to it. I'm now going to show you how to use the vertical. Now I've brought up this hedge, and I want to make this hedge look like it's going down the edge of the driveway here on the grass. So first of all, let me size it down a bit. And I'm going to place it right here on the edge of the grass. Now I'm going to use the warp tool, and this time I'm going to click on vertical. What vertical does is it ties the left and right handles together. So if I move this up like this, you'll see that it's distorting it in this direction, and then I'll just bring up the bottom to have it go along the edge of the driveway and the grass here, and there you go. It's changed the direction of that shrub, and we have it going along the edge of the driveway. Now here's another use for the warp tool. Let's say you wanted to take this fence and you wanted it to go across the yard right here. Well, at the direction it is right now, it's just not going to work. It's going to end up over in this direction at this point instead of over there. So what you'll need to do is warp the fence in the right direction. Again, you go to the warp tool, click on horizontal, and then basically shape the fence so that it's going in that direction. That looks pretty good to me, so I'll click OK. And now you want another section of fence. Instead of recreating it, all you have to do is duplicate this one. So we'll go here to duplicate, and then we'll place this one next to it, size it down a little bit until the rails match up. And now we need another one, so we duplicate. Again, size it down until the rails match up, and continue the process until you have the fence going across the whole yard. It's that simple.